CryptoQ Media, I appreciate you coming back to my station. For 6 reasons, crypto experts are predicting that the price of XRP will skyrocket. The video will provide 6 arguments in favor of a precipitous increase in the price of the cryptocurrency. Recent developments, such as the settlement of the XRP litigation and the introduction of on-demand liquidity in the United States, have put Rector's insights on Ripple and cryptocurrency assets in a crucial position. In this article, we will examine the following events in chronological order: the XRP lawsuit, the introduction of the Ripple stablecoin in anticipation of crypto-friendly regulations, the emergence of the spot XRP ETF, and the positive macroeconomic trends. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs have been involved in a protracted legal dispute for nearly 3.5 years. Zach Rector claims that the case is nearly concluded. Read up on what happened with Judge Torres's XRP ruling, and you'll be ready for this one. This is a snippet of his speech. Last year, all of the deals that were being considered were rejected. A settlement to this legal case might have far-reaching effects on market dynamics by easing legal tensions and increasing investor confidence. This is fantastic news from a market perspective. Keep in mind that last year on July 13, Fred Rispoli, the price of XRP increased by about 100% in the one day after Judge Torres's summary ruling. A U.S. attorney has lately made the wild assumption that the SEC's case against on-demand liquidity will be resolved by July's end. Businesses who rely on Ripple or XRP could be hit hard by the ruling in the lawsuit. The analyst not only brought up the case's settlement, but also the U.S. debut of on-demand liquidity out west services. That the SEC litigation is almost over and that the following is the next crucial date was confirmed by Simon McLaughlin, CEO of Uphold, as it related read. Rector eagerly screamed, "Flip that switch." In response to a question regarding the service's ability to increase demand and utility in a global market that employs XRP for transaction liquidity. The launch of the Ripple stablecoin comes in at number 3. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has stated that the company intends to launch a stablecoin in the third quarter of this year, which will further power the ecosystem. The XRP ledger ecosystem is set to witness a significant surge in extra liquidity, as previously announced by Rector. With the introduction of a stablecoin, XRP, and decentralized finance may find further applications. Cryptocurrency asset prices are expected to climb due to increased demand and liquidity, which is why pro-crypto regulations are anticipated. With new regulations on the horizon in the United States, Rector discussed the larger picture in the 4th plus, which might be good news for the cryptocurrency industry. Let me tell you what he observed: even though regulations may not be implemented until next year, the current climate is ideal for XR and Ripples to embrace a compliance-first mindset. This is because Ripple's CEO is discussing the company's plans to compete with Fast and its IPO possibilities. Their capacity to determine legal status may help with pricing. Experts agree that Gary Gensler will shortly be asked to step down as chairman of the SEC. If Donald Trump is elected president in November, Operation Choke Point 2.0 may come to a close and new crypto-friendly rules may be on the horizon if this happens. In light of the success of XRP-based DFC exchange-traded funds in Europe, for instance, the Biden administration is contemplating the introduction of spot XRP ETFs. Rector was correct in predicting the arrival of XRP-based exchange-traded funds. Such products are already available in Europe and will soon be available in the US. Since XRP will be included in several ETF baskets, I use the plural term. We shall meet them in the United States. In addition, these ETFs will likely boost liquidity and open up new investment opportunities for both institutional and retail investors. Particularly, Ripple CEO Garland House said in February that spot XRP ETFs will certainly launch in the US at some point. The proliferation of exchange-traded funds is, in my opinion, completely expected. As pointed out by Garland House, it is unique. Rector lastly made an educated guess regarding the influence of measures like monetary growth on cryptocurrency prices in order to foretell positive trends in the macroeconomy. Number 6. If the United States government were to enhance its output of money unrelated to politics, according to T, the cryptocurrency market and individual cryptocurrency assets would surely prosper. When it comes to liquidity, we anticipate more money printing regardless of the election result. Therefore, make preparations now because the time to do so is now. As Rector put it, we anticipate that XRP will act in some way. Opportunities for investment in the Bitcoin business have persisted for quite some time. The XRP lawsuit is coming to a close, and the cryptocurrency is only now beginning to make a comeback after a recent slump. Due to the coin's falling value, tank currency investors are presently in a vulnerable financial position. Reibu, a new meme coin, is hosted on the IRS-20 network. En route to the marketplace, it gleams like a shining knight. The attributes of Rabbito have already ensured its success, even though it is still in the pre-sale stage. Read on to learn more about the current state of the Bitcoin price. Markets for alternative cryptocurrencies were propelled in July by Second Ripple and the disagreement with the SEC. The business Ripple Labs donated $1 million to a newly formed super PAC, according to a recent filing. With this gift, Massachusetts Senator John Denton hoped to depose crypto-hating Senator Elizabeth Warren and leave her with more than $33 billion in the market. The price of XRP has risen to the 7th spot among the most valuable cryptocurrencies. According to CoinMarketCap, investors are fretting over Toncoin's price falling further even if its worth has been climbing, surpassing important benchmarks, and exhibiting no indications of a fall. These extraordinary spikes occurred in the months of May and July. But when investors discovered other promising options, their excitement for Toncoin dwindled, especially with the 200 EMA at 5.49 and the 100 EMA at 6.62. Pay close attention to the following support levels if a reversal is in the cards. With these levels of support, Ton may be able to stabilize and regain some of its increasing momentum. If you're new to my channel and have just subscribed, I appreciate it. Until then, take care.